Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. So today I am going to do a backyard hibachi. Yes, it got dark very quickly, but I was committed to this cause. So I am going to add to a hot griddle some day-old cooked rice. They say that's the best. I'm actually practicing for a big family hibachi. I didn't want to bring people over and I wasn't ready yet. So I'm practicing on my husband and my son. So I'm adding some butter in the middle so that it can start to melt. I'm also adding in some chicken breast to the hot skillet or the hot griddle. There, I'm going to, in the center there, I'm moving everything over so that I can add some fresh vegetables, carrots, and broccoli. And this is a great way to clean out your refrigerator with some of those vegetables that will probably go bad if you didn't cook them. So I had some broccoli left over from another recipe and some carrots as well. So I'm just dumping those out. I'm seasoning the rice and the chicken breast along with the broccoli and steamed vegetables with some salt and pepper. Sorry, I had a little brain freeze there. And I'm also going to add in the onions there and some butter. So I'm just mixing that around, making sure everything is nice and coated and seasoned well. So I know my chicken breast is not seasoned all the way right now, but I'm going to add some soy sauce, which has quite a bit of sodium in it as well. And I did add some salt and pepper. I just didn't think it needed some extra like seasoning salt for an Asian inspired meal. I really enjoyed cooking this. The food was delicious. I made some lunches, so if you check out any of my shorts, I'm going to show you a meal prep or a lunch prep that I did with that. We ate on this for a couple of days, and it was really good. I must pat myself on the back. I did a great job to say this was my first time. But I am making a little hole in the center there. I'm flipping over. You see how nicely caramelized those onions are? And then I took some time to just kind of break up some of that broccoli. I'm adding in some soy sauce there for the color and 2 eggs. I'm going to scramble those in the middle. And it was so easy to make. I'm cutting up all of the vegetables here or my onions. One thing I would recommend the next time I make this, I am going to pre-cut the chicken breast because it was difficult trying to cut that after it was cooked. And I think I let it cook a little too long as well. When I started to cut it, and maybe my knife is just not sharp enough. I don't know. But there you're going to see me mixing in the eggs with the rice, and you see the color coming in. I was so excited and happy about this meal. It was really good. I keep saying that, but it really was. I hope you try it. If you have a Blackstone, try different things. It is really neat. It's hot where I am now. But as soon as it starts to cool off, I'll do even more cooking out. But it's like 100 degrees out. But they say this is better than cooking inside because you don't have to use your AC as much, and your house doesn't heat up as much as if when you're cooking outside. So I'm moving those vegetables over there to just stay warm and cook a little bit more, get a little more tender. As you can see here, I'm doing my best to cut the chicken up. I am going to like speed through this a little bit more because it was taking me a minute. And after that, I went ahead and added some soy sauce to the grilled chicken. And it was great. There we go, adding some soy sauce. I also added some additional sauces when I was eating it. I can't pronounce it. I won't even try. But it's like a sweet, spicy Asian sauce. I added that as well. So here is the finished product, really. This is what it looked like when everything was done. I hope you like it. Give it a try. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.